because always thought that, if we were to interpret just another report, there are aptitude tests on Google today. There are a lot of aptitude tests which can tell you, where you stand, the IQ tests and so on. Right?
Correct.
We didn't need a career counseling workshop for this.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So therefore, it was important that for my niece, we actually take a proper, counseling through a person or through an organization which understands the plethora of options there are for people who graduate out of their 10th class, or so to say, after their 12th class journey, before they get into college, right?
Yeah.
Even things like what stream I should take, science versus commerce versus arts. It's a catch-22 for a lot of children. I mean, in our days, we didn't even plan for it until graduation.
Yeah.
But here, at least we have avenues where we can enable this for them. So I think that's where Mindmap Factory related people, the counselors, came into picture and helped take that step forward. See, typically, while today we have a lot of information on Google and the other platforms, right? There's a lot of information availability there. But then you would understand that with too much of information, it also leads to confusion, right?
True.
So you don't know what is right information versus what is not right. So therefore, I wanted to take a call which was more genuine in nature from a career perspective, and which is more authentic, really. So that's where I was looking for companies which provide such services. And by the way, when I researched for this, I found there aren't many. I found that Mindmap is one company where I should approach and take this up. Once she completed a good half an hour to 45 minutes, evaluation, which was all online, very effectively managed without having to do a pen and paper activity. So the report itself is very exhaustive and conclusive. It's an analytic report, but again, see, with an analytic report, the only thing that is important is to be able to interpret that correctly.
Yeah.
If we were to interpret that ourselves, all of us would have been career counselors. So that's my view. The counseling perspective itself, I think the counselor had a lot of knowledge around all the fields, and the good thing is they also knew about the assessment aspects of this entire career counseling process. So one thing is aspiring to be something, and one thing is having an aptitude for it. I think if counselors can bridge that gap and tell you what your aptitude is and which fields you fit in, I think that's the best thing to happen for children who are in this age. So I mean, this is a complete end-to-end career assessment of aptitude, behaviors, as well as psychometric evaluation. I think it's a combination of everything in one package, right? As well as counseling. Because most of the time, aptitude alone may not tell us that we are best fitted for something. You need a certain evaluation, and you need a certain opinion. For example, how do you differentiate a person who is scoring a 90-95% for their fitment into IAS vis-a-vis a doctor, right?
Correct.
So that's where the tricky part is. I think that's where this particular counseling helps. Right. So no, I will encourage all the parents, right, to go for a career counseling. It may not be something that we chance upon. In India, we think that let's just complete our plus 2 and graduation and then figure it out. Tell you what, I mean, plus 2, the decision needs to be made right after 10th, in my opinion, because just imagine you are pursuing science, but you have no interest for, you may have an aptitude for engineering, but you turn out to be a person who doesn't really have any interest in pursuing engineering. Then the entire effort of investment in a candidate or your child studying engineering would have been a wrong cause. Maybe they would have spent that time in pursuing that's something that they were very well suited for.
Thank you so much for sharing all of that, Bharat, and thank you for taking time out for this. Really appreciate your feedback.
Sure, it's been my pleasure.